Let's go!
Yeah, the big weight versus Apple. Mountain versus Oracle.
Yan, si Coach. Game violation. Tansoy. Ball. Nice kill, nakaka-operate. Stepping from the line. Kano. Nagagalang Tansoy. Patay.
Nakuha sa 2 seconds.
Ingit lang. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Tansoy, magdadala ng bola.
Tansoy,
dala pa rin niya.
Senior in world life.
Napaan. Kano. Eight minutes exactly. All good.
Ibang boys na nila.
Salinas. Huli mo.
Foul number 34. Foul. First personal foul. First foul. Basketball.
Salinas. So, ibang. Wala na. Ay, foul.
Foul number
7. Number 7 na Moraga, foul.
First personal foul. First foul number 7.
Time, 7 minutes.
The ball. Number 2. Foul number 11. Tansoy. Guabio.
Ulit,
Double violation.
Score 6-4. So, gagalan po lang.
Chalo! 2!
6 minutes pa.
Still. Oh.
Ten seconds to shoot. Back pa na. Ano?
Chalo!
Score. Buka naman.
Grabe yun. Laban!
24.
Grabe yung laban ko.
5 minutes and 18 seconds.
Oh! Wala na to! Basketball number 34.
Ay, balik lima. 5 minutes. Lima. Pasok na po yung mga goal team. Score, Monday Club 14, Dragon 4.
Pumasok na ang bata ng ituloy. Si Kali.
Takit natin yung jersey natin bago na natin yan. Okay.
Joel! Ikaw lang pinapanood namin niya, ha?
15 seconds to shoot. Oh, grabe.
Bawal siya.
France, naglalaro na pala si France. Number 6. Ligawan na. Oh, hindi. Oh,
Dumating pa siya.
green ball. Single net. Wag pa na. Prince. Larry, manager. Manager lang.
Oy!
Nako. Manager.
Ano si manager? Oh, labanan!
Painting jersey ang ginawa. Wala. Okay, time out pag temple.
Number 3.
Time out. Fifteen seconds to shoot.
Labanan!
Time. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Oh, good for that.
Pau, mabukuntin. Dragon.
First version of that. Second
Oras. 3 minutes exactly. France.
Laban.
Nabalan. Oh, wow.
Number 14.
Number 14. Dragon.
First version of that.
Nabalan. Wala pa rin. 2 minutes and 32 seconds. 15 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. Bang!
Foul for number 5. That's enough.
10 seconds to shoot.
Simple. Basket count.
Basket.
Foul number 5. Technical foul number 5. Was the
Sa
foul.
basket. Bawal mo alam na. Alam. Wala nang ragag. Wala nang ragag. Score namin ha.
24-12. Favor of Gerald. Nothing.
Grabe ang sigaw yun ha. Grabe. Energy. 2 minutes.
Number 8. Wala. Oh.
Bravo ball.
Oy, Gary Boy! Unang na, swerte ka ngayon ah!
Foul. Was the foul. Foul number 26. Foul number 26. First on the foul.
1 minute and 10 seconds. Isa lang ang bumas. Oh,
24. Foul. Warning number 9.
Warning number 9 ha.
Foul number
Foul number
5.
40 seconds.
Two more.
23 seconds. More seconds. 20 seconds.
Oh! Not a deal.
15 seconds.
Warning time. First score.
Let's go.
Evan! Sino mo ba?
Oh, outstanding. Advantage. Ayos ba yung taga-video natin kanina?
Ayos yan. Kado. Kenneth! Lista mo yan. Coleto Rugo.
Offensive foul.
Foul.
Number 24, Vincent.
Oras natin, 9 minutes and 15 seconds. 15 to shoot! Ano? Ano?
Oh!
Rubio. Oleno.
Grabe! Oh! Rubio.
28, 50.
28-15.
Tabal. Genet. Malakas. Nabal.
Bata pa tayo, no? Mga babae mo, di ba?
Score now is 31-15 in favor of Monica. 8 minutes and 29 seconds. The woman, number 7,
Number 5.
Oh!
Pasto Gauman.
Gulat niya ako, di ka
What?
Joel, minsan lang, Joel.
Foul.
Oras. 7 minutes and 50. 10 to shoot. Patay na.
Redet, naka-40 points kaya ka. Galing sa biyahe. Ako ba? Wala. Ano ba? Number 9. Balesteros. Oh. The ball step back.
Thank you.
Wala.
14 seconds to shoot. Score. 33-17.
Basketball. Number 15.
15 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul. No. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 8 seconds.
Grabe.
Bal. Bal. Kenek. Iska pa. Balesteros.
Oh! 3 seconds.
Seconds.
Minito kayo dyan.
Oras, 6 minutes.
Oh!
Wala pa rin. Balesteros.
Balesteros.
15 seconds to shoot. Oh! Three, 19. 10 seconds to shoot.
Grabe. Grabe. Lumalabas. Oh! Lumalabas ang pasa.
Malas na ikaw sa amin yun eh. Yan, ikaw ba? Malas na sa amin.
5 minutes, 13 seconds.
Iya o,
Stop na. 33-21. Abad din.
Balik.
Palit.
5 minutes.
Okay, diba?
natulog-ulog yung committee ah.
Palit diba? Takin na. Takin. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Oh, yan.
Number 26, Martin.
Oras, 4 minutes, 12 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Oh no, oh no. Dire-diretso na. 2 points. Set time, 20 seconds. Foul, number 11, Uragon. 15 seconds to shoot.
Oh, counted. Foul number 11. Foul number 11.
Foul, number 11. Wala na. Sa third. Oo, sa third. Okay, di ba? Stop ba? Okay, wala sa... kala.
Sa third quarter, pwede na mag-sub. Starter. Foul number 28. First personal foul. Second team foul. Let's get count on. Basket 2. Oh! Number 120. 8 to shoot.
Offensive foul, number 6. Number 6. Matikot, offensive foul.
First personal foul number 6.
Oras, 2 minutes. Huli ka. Robles. Nicole. Sagasa ka. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Lipas. Score, 41-30. Pero, Matika. Bumabaw. Nicole. Yan na yun.
Oh, you put it like that.
41-32. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 15 seconds shoot.
That's the time. Number 20.
15 seconds to shoot. 55 seconds. Oras natin. Forty-two seconds.
Romana.
37 seconds. 29 seconds.
Williams.
20 seconds. 10 seconds.
McQueen.
7 seconds. 5 seconds. Wala na oras.
Oh, foul number 20 for Leto. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 4. Bilis na to. Over 7. Ay, lumipat na.
47, 30.
Naba, lumabas ang side. Follow. Banda. Ay, lumabas. Oh,
More sa baba. Pwedeng mag-timeout, ha?
tag-isa na.
Take the shot!
Good letter. Wala. Good letter. Number 20.
Score, 47-40.
Ay, grabe. Ito na lang ang hinahabol ng ano.
8 minutes
Biglang
and
kapag.
7 seconds. Take the shot!
Ito na yan.
Take the shot!
Foul number 20. Foul number 20. Second personal foul. Good letter.
Take the shot natin! Take the shot!
First foul. Foul number 8. Second. Foul number 8. First personal foul.
6 seconds to shoot! 6!
Grabe yung kumusay. Gano'n matake. Bahuma. Number 7.
Score, 45, 42.
Naba.
Second shoot.
Oh! Foul number 8. Foul number 8. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 13.
Alam sa basa. 48, 40.
Grabe yung pasa. Number 7.
Alam ko! Foul.
Foul number 5.
Foul. Number 13.
Number 13.
Anting love. Score, 48, 40.
Abas. Second personal foul. First personal foul. 15 seconds to shoot.
No. Hindi pa. Baba rin.
Foul. Gusto ba? Foul. Number 7. Second personal foul. Laguman.
Penalty, penalty. Penalty tayo nasa front. Pasok lang. Penalty, penalty. Wala. Apat na lang po ang kalamangan ng Monday Club. Oras. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Isa lang ang pumasok. 49-44. Gahuman. 49-47. Dalawa lang po. Lalaki naman. Labal. 15 seconds to shoot. Ano? Uy. 11. Gahuman. Lista mo na.
Puputok si Gahuman.
49-50. Gahuman. Oras natin. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3. Basket count, basket count, basket count. Sabay. Fifty-one, 52. Dead ball sa. Reps up, rep.
Foul number 5.
Pwede
Jamal.
saan pwede mag-sap? Eh, pasok. Number 5, labas. Pasok, number 28.
First post.
Score natin 51-50 ha. Monday Club 51, Dragon 50. Okay. Sino foul?
Foul
Number
number
18, foul. Blue.
Foul number 18.
Counted, counted. 51-52. Dragon. 8. Oras natin, 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Salinas. Number 69. Rekta na. Uy. Uy. Blooper. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Pasok. Wala na. 53. Anuman. Abal. Wala pa rin. Wala. Wag dito. 7. Wala na. Wala pa rin. Agaw. Abal. Abal. 3 minutes. Miss ka mo na.
Number 69.
53.
Ref, time out. Wala. Last shot. Wala pa rin. Huli ka.
Nice.
Swallow.
Tayo, 55. Oras, 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Nice. 55, 57. Ang score. 15 seconds to shoot. Huli ka. Pasa. Malakas. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 7 seconds. 2 minutes exactly. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Nice pick. Apat na ako. 55, 59. Dragon. Foul. Foul number 7. Dragon. Wala pa. Ilan na yung team? Hindi.
Tani, inside the ball, number 13.
57, 59.
57, 59.
Magaling. Seconds ha. Oras natin ha. 27 seconds.
That's the count.
17 seconds. 57, 61. Lamang ang Orago. 10 seconds.
Foul number 15. Foul number 15.
Penalty. Oras natin 9 seconds ha. Lamang.
Pag ano,
57, 61. Orago.
Double match.
Counted good. Counted. Basta. Double foul. Foul number 26. 9 seconds ha. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. Wala na ang oras.
Yes, yes.
9 minutes and 47 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Labanan.
Ano? Dang.
Ohio.
62-63. Lamang pa rin ang isa. Simulang limang na Toronto.
Number 6.
Dead ball, dead ball. Hang on, dead ball.
Nice one.
Plano.
Tama, tama. Sabi lang, manggal ka ba? All 6-6. Lauman, 4-3.
Number 14.
66-68.
Number 2nd section and ball.
Last throw. Isa.
Leonid.
All pa rin.
All score.
68.
Grabe. Pahinga. Baru masih turun. Grabe. Ayos yan.
To 68. Oras, 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
Trevor Brown.
7 minutes ang oras natin. Support quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay, good. Okay, good pass. Yeah. 16, 17. Morocco. There you go. 6 minutes and 15 seconds.
Ano, Bandit.
68-72. Lamang ang Moragon. Ang apat.
29 balls, 1 crowd.
71-72. 72.
Yan, grabe, mainit to.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Outlier. 73, 72. 8 and 8 seconds. Oras natin. 15 seconds to shoot. Yari na. 75, 72. 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Tatlo lang ang lamang. Tatlo lang. Lapit lang ang sasab. Lapit lang. Temple. Tayo. 15 seconds to shoot. Reps up, reps up. Pasok lang ang sab. Number 5 tanggal. Number 9 tanggal. Bola.
Number 16.
75, 74. Sa lamang. 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Oras natin ngayon. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. 75. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala pa eh. 77. Oras. 3 minutes and 15 seconds na lang ang oras natin nakikita. Pagpatay pag-petol, basta tayo. 77. Oh, number 20. Oras natin 53. 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Oras natin. Hindi ka. Reps up. Ako na, pasok. Labas, ang lalabas. Tayo ha. 15 seconds to shoot. Oh! 82. Oras natin. 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Go! Score natin 82-79. Namang amat ng tatlo. Rep. Time out? Wala na kayo time out. Dalawa na eh. Nakadalawa na kayo. Okay. Time out. Red, sab. Hindi mag-sab? Sabaw. Hindi. Masok yung sasab. Pasok yung mag-sasab. Pwede na pumasok. Abang temple. Pasok na. Bawat number 5. Ebana. Tukad, labanan.
Third personal foul.
Oh. Panahon ng blue, sa panahon ng blue. Stop.
Eight to 18. Last 2 minutes.
Last 4 minutes. Wala.
Opo.
Ay, oras. 1 minute 55 seconds. Oras. Ay. Yan na. 1 minute and 12 seconds. 84-80. Apat lang. Apat lang po. Patay na. 1 minute and 4 seconds ang oras ng mga tigara natin. 59 seconds. Running na tayo. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Go!
Dagdagan mo na.
Go!
82 ha. Ang score natin. 38 seconds. Wala ka rin.
Oh, foul number 7.
Dalawa lang. Dalawa.
Number 7, Warren in Headway. Basket count.
Basket count. Isa lang. Masok. 85-82. Wala ka rin. Oh, okay. 32 seconds. 32 seconds. 27. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Oh, 24. Oh, 25. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. 6 seconds na lang po. 6 seconds. Lang tayo. 85. All. 6 seconds. All 85. Minutes, 87 kung yun, 4 seconds na kung yun. Ayan. 4 seconds na lang ang ating dalawang oras. Pumasok pa. 88, 85. 4 seconds. Parang time out. Two. Content. 88, content po. All lang tayo. All, content. Woo! Ay, gahuman. Board. Game. Pumasok eh.
Outside, goal.
Oh. Gahuman. Oh, grabe. 15 seconds to shoot. Oras natin. 4 minutes and 60 seconds. Oh, 19. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes exactly. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Grabe. Step back. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, 92.
First overtime natin to sa Magic.
Oras, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Oh, wala na. Red, time out daw.
Time out!
15 seconds. Wala. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Huli ka. 94, 92. Ah. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 10 seconds. Counted. 96, 92. Sino ball run? 15 pala. 15. Ano 15? Pumasok. Sakit. 97, 92. Ay! Alright. Uy, nahuli na naman. 2 minutes. Exactly. 2 minutes na lang. Oras natin. 2 minutes.
Nice pa! Foul number 15. Sabi ko,
99. Wow, number 28. Sub. Ano lang? Nasab. Pasok lang. One hundred. 15 seconds to shoot.
wow, grabe ko everyone. Number 5.
Number 9. 109. Eight seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. 5 to shoot. 5.
Oh,
Wow.
foul number 6.
Ah, number 6. Sila na. Number 6.
Second personal foul. 13 foul. 13 foul.
Yan na. Beta din ba? Wala pa. 16 seconds to shoot, ha? 16 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 11 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 4, 3. Diretso lang. Wala pa rin.
Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 6. Apat na. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty na tayo. Wala pa rin. 50 seconds.
Number 3 naman. 38 seconds. 20 seconds. 37.
35 seconds. Umutake. Sub ka rin, Brett. Sub. Sub, Brett. Number 28. Brett, pwede ka sub. Brett, sub. 28, labas. Pasok. Number 14. 31 seconds na lang ang oras, ha? 31 seconds.
Foul number 6.
Number 6, warning. Penalty na. Penalty na tayo, penalty. Warning for graduate, number 6.
Ang pinagkala.
30 seconds na lang ang oras, ha? Pumasok isa. 102, 95. Lakas. Pumasok ang pangalawa. 102, 96. Salinas, ano na?
Number
Tama,
11.
11.
11.
9 seconds. Ilan na? Tatlo pa lang. Tatlo. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Apat. Apat pa lang. 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 Wala ng murago. Apat pa lang. 5 seconds. I'd say isa lang, 5 seconds. 8,